Good morning, everyone. We'll start this podcast in another 30 seconds. A very good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Bell with William O'Neill India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. Today's date is October 18th, Tuesday. Before we go ahead, disclaimer for this podcast is that whatever stocks we discuss in this podcast are intended only for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. Let's look into Nifty's daily chart to get an overview of the general market in India. As you can see, the last two blue bars, that is yesterday's and day before yesterday's, the volume was on the lower side. Even though Nifty edged higher on two consecutive sessions, but the volume has been coming down, which is a not so good sign. Yesterday as well, Nifty opened on a flat to negative basis. However, as the session progressed, it found a good positive momentum and it trended as the session progressed. On the closing basis, it closed near the day's high. You can see the candle also. And in the meantime, it has reclaimed its 21 DMA as well, which is a green line here. So currently Nifty is trading only below its 50 DMA out of the key moving averages. And currently, if you're talking about market status, we are in rally attempt. We are awaiting for a follow through day. That is Nifty advancing more than 1.5% or more on volume higher than the previous session. It's very important for us to have a follow through day before adding stocks to a model portfolio, because follow through day is when Nifty is advancing higher and also volume is coming in. That indicates both there is a good demand for the stocks. So by looking at both price volume action, you get a more clearer picture than just looking at either price or volume action. So it's very important to couple both these actions together. If the follow through session happens, definitely we'll be changing the market status to confirmed uptrend, and then we'll be adding stocks to a model portfolio. However, currently, as we are in rally attempt, we are looking out for stocks which are near pivots, which are very resilient when compared to the general market, and we are making an by watch list so that when the market structure improves, we'll be very quick in adding stocks to our model portfolio. Some of the stocks which are reported results yesterday are PVR, which is a cinema exhibition company, has reported its Q2 results. Revenue has increased nearly 500% to 670 crores, 680 crores. This is year-on-year basis. This is mostly because lower base effect. The last year, the cinema exhibition was not doing well. However, on the bottom line front, it has reported a loss of 71 crores when compared to a loss of 150 crores year-on-year. Tata Metaliks, another major company, has reported its Q2 earnings. Revenue has increased nearly 32%. This is sequentially to 660 crores. PAT came in at 14.3 crores when compared to a profit of 1.2 crores in the last quarter, and 54 crores of profit in the corresponding quarter last year. Tata Coffee has also come up with its results. Revenue has increased nearly 38% year-on-year basis to 60 crores. That has increased to 143 crores when you're comparing with 18 crores in the corresponding quarter last year. Some of the major companies which will be reporting their results today are HFCL, ICSL, Lombard, KPIT, L&T Technologies, and Polycap. These are the major companies which will be reporting results during the session, during the trading session, and during the after hours today. So these stocks will definitely be under the radar today during the market hours. So please be watchful if you have any of these stocks in your in your portfolio. Definitely they will be getting impacted. So if there is any selling pressure, definitely try to exit. Coming to the institutional activity, FIIs have turned net sellers yesterday. They have sold 370 crores of equities. However, domestic institutional investors have given good support for the markets, and because of their buying, Nifty rallied and it closed near the day's high. They have bought nearly 1580 crores of equities. Talking about the global markets, overnight, US market have closed pretty much higher, nearly 2%, Dow Jones 1.9, S&P more than 2.7, and Nasdaq closed 3.4% higher. So significantly, there is broad-based buying happened in the US markets. So definitely, it is a positive cue for the Indian markets as well. Asia markets are trading slightly mixed. You can see Shanghai is flat to negative. Kospi is also flat to positive, and Nikkei 0.8% higher as we speak. So definitely there are positive cues globally. So Indian market should also open on the higher side. SGX Nifty is also indicating a higher opening. They are open and nearly 140, 150 points higher opening is expected on the Nifty. If that opening is sustained, definitely we might see a follow-through session today. Then should this occur, that is, if the Nifty occurs during the today's session, we'll be changing the market status to confirm uptrend, and we'll be very quick in adding stocks to model portfolio. So please be watchful of our emailers and notifications as well. As the market is in rally attempt, as mentioned previously, we are looking out for stocks which are resilient and which are near pivots. And Deepak Fertilizer is one of the fundamentally strong company and is also giving technical breakout. Yesterday, you can see it has given a clear breakout from its stage 3 double bottom base pattern. The price action and volume action are clearly very strong. Stock closed 8% higher, and the volume was more than 200% above the average volume. And looking at the ratings, you can see the ratings are top notch. EPS rating of 96 indicates the consistent profile of the companies on fundamental front. Price strength is also 88. This is because the stock has broken out and it is outperformed majority of the stocks in the overall universe. So definitely that is also a positive sign. A by D rating is also very good. A minus indicates a good accumulation compared to the distribution. Number of funds, which is our other key parameter in our methodology, is also looking very good for the company. You can see on each quarter the company has able to garner new institutional investors. Consistent growth in institutional activity is very important for any company. This is a growing company. Its market cap is nearly more than 12,000 crores. So there is a lot of growth to be seen in this company. And the fresh investors coming into the company is very good sign. They are liking the story. Definitely that is a very good story for the long term. And the stock is also looking very good on the technical front as well. Definitely the market gives a follow through day today. This will definitely be a contender for addition. And if you are holding this stock, definitely can continue to hold with keeping a good stop loss in place. Thanks for joining today's pre-bell. Hope to have a good trading session. Also, please join our after hours, which is at 4:30 in the evening, to know more about today's market action.